The Reject Jamaican Play 2023, starring Sister Petra, Ethic Boss, Jamrock Home, Production.
Man.
You know what I mean now? So peep through the window for your head, dancer. Consider me comb your head.
I'm ready for comb my head yet.
Oh, you mean say
you say a yard me a sweep up. Wait till me done sweep up the yard now.
Me say you rake up the yard, but your head not look good. Me say if you put down this and come at me comb your head.
Me have you up from last night, you know.
How about me? How about yourself? Oh, and me, how about your twin?
Me tell you, say, come in my room and you make mommy come and see in her room. Me have you up in a man.
So look here, where you expect me when you sleep?
Mommy not tell you say in her basement, whenever just get up and go in her basement, go sleep.
Me, I didn't want to sleep in a basement with your pick-me. You not no ambition. You want me say you not no ambition. Me have up your twin. Me then tell us if you can't breakfast in a bed, come give me. You make me come out here in a sun at if you can't come here.
Mommy just gone a shop, nothing in her house, you know, see that?
What a disgrace!
Why not the house I adjust for me and mommy and now you come and come to stress out, man, make sure you go in a shop.
Okay, so look here. You shouldn't have that in your head before you breed me, you hear me? Me then tell if you come pregnant me, you know? Is you come pregnant me, so you have to stand your hand. You hear what me say? And what the head come in an argument?
Take time with me, you know.
What the head me say before me pop off it? Oh.
Sure.
Me will throw me hanger in it, you know. Oh, that me I tell you. Me know why my man look the worst. That's why me have to comb up your head for you. Oh. And you know say me that thing about thing too. And who you don't make buy the picnic clothes them? Cause me no want no Jamaican clothes in. And that me they tell you so you better talk from now. What the plans where you have?
But the belly no reach nowhere.
Oh yeah, I want this here. And a big old got this here. Don't ramp with me, you hear me? Oh, make sure I grab your door call and tell him say, me want foreign clothes and me want name brand
call
clothes.
My father, you know. And mommy I go buy the clothes then.
Which mommy? Which mommy? Me don't want your mother buy no clothes in my picnic. You hear me say I grab me want buy me picnic clothes them because me want name brand. You think me want when me go up a hospital, everybody in the same thing when my picnic, you look like you knock your head. Oh, you should have known that say me no want no cheap clothes for my picnic. Oh, you better hold your head, you know. Because me will jag off it.
When time me tell my father say you're pregnant now, he now go stop the filing.
Stop the filing?
How me get figure foreign? How me get figure foreign in time me tell him say you're pregnant?
I run you want run well if me and your picnic out here. Well, make it stop immediately. Because you dey turn out here and face the trouble with me and your picnic. Oh. You think I'm me alone don't raise it? What the head too? Come me with pop off your head. Oh, come me have up your.
You know say you're not think good, you know that?
Me glad you know.
Say if me go foreign, right?
Mm-hmm.
Things would have better for you on the picnic. At least say when me could have get a little work and send down money come give in a week time. Why you are gonna make me go they have to know and have to go work hard and suffer out yourself to take care of it.
I trick you want trick me. Me hear what you say. And you think me stupid. Everybody always think me stupid. So you want go foreign go runway and don't remember say me out of the breed for you.
How me go runway and a filing?
Me care for filing. You want runway and don't come and you pick me. Well, make me tell you something. Me have news for you because your papa have to know about this I got here. Oh, try hold your head, but that me I tell you. And you get me very upset too, you know. You know say they get me upset.
If you have comb here, you comb me
me
here.
Me comb your head, but when you come tell me about say, you want to go foreign and left me and your poor pick me out here to suffer. Me don't feel good about it. Oh, me don't feel good and you make me change my mind from comb your head too. You make me change my mind. You know what? Me come galang in go lie down and you better carry breakfast in a bed come give me. You hear what me say? And anytime you know say you don't have a proper reasoning for me, you know, Me no want you hold no conversation with me. You hear me? Cause all no mind things say me
Come up here
idiot.
to run this yard and I see say you have everything planned out, you know.
Then you should have known that before you pregnant me. You should have known. And sit down, me say, come here, chat to you. Don't go walk off for me.
Just see if you never did that breed.
Yes.
And me hand back me the leg of this man.
Give me your hand back, no? And that's your feed. Give me your hand back. You don't know me, you know? You think I did a school girl where you bad up for me lunch and then sitting there. Yes, man. Me ready for you, me hot for you, cause me the car you pick me. Yeah. Alright, give me a kiss, me man.
Give me
Give me a kiss now.
Look
And
out
let
for
me
me
go
now.
and go receive baby for you. You know say I love you, make me the gala summer.
Come go sleep up here before mommy
Give
come.
your wife to be a kiss now.
Me nah married you, me not tell you that already.
What make you say you not married me? You know see how me look good. Me look good and
Never plan to
and
spend
you
the
look
rest of my
good
life
too.
with you.
Oh God.
Never plan that out.
I share me.
Never plan that out.
So what you want from me when you pee on me? Eh? What you did plan?
I mistake that.
Oh God, what you do me suffer? Me look like me nah no sense. Well alright, me a go let you come. Me see say you have everything planned out. The same way you have everything planned out. Remember say me have it planned out too. Oh.
I don't even know how me get myself in there, you know.
Wife? Look like she tired. My wife,
Yes, my husband.
I'm ready to go now.
Ready to go where?
Don't think I tell you this morning I'm going for Petra?
Lord have mercy! They are just like, you know. What you want to do? You want to mad me?
It's 8 o'clock, my wife.
So what if it's 8 o'clock? Lord have mercy! I thought we talked about this last night. Why you come provoking me so early in the morning?
Wife, you know, see, last night I was twisting and turning in the bed. I have reckless night last night, you know.
Well, if you have reckless night, you should have parked the vehicle that is not reckless on the road. Park and relax yourself.
My wife, I can't function without Petra here, my wife.
You can't function without her. Take your mind off her. Simple as that.
My wife, what make you must be so cool?
I am.
We only child, you know, my wife.
I don't say no, but you know
You're
what
very
happened?
cold.
I am not cold. You remember when she first pregnant? And I said you must make she stay? And what did you tell me? You said no, she can't stand. So when I think about it, I said, you're really right. Because if me, you, and she come here with picnic, God and know all two picnic she can't come here. Hungry kill we down here. It cannot work my husband. And
Why?
I'm tired of this. I'm tired of you
God.
bothering me about Petra.
My wife, Errol mother have to stand up to the responsibility, you know. So what you mean by hungry I go kill we? Huh?
What you mean by Errol?
Errol mother have to feed her here. Right?
Is Errol mother breeder?
It's Errol breeder.
Then that's why Errol shouldn't stand up to the
Well, you have to
responsibility.
get to work. Right? I'm not comfortable without Petra here in the house.
I see from long time you poor little girl. That's why I'm breed pan you. You know that? You poor little girl. So that's why
Yes.
she go road because.
Yes, me spoil her because I'm a one child. I'm a one the best for her. I'm not gonna make a next woman my little daughter.
Look,
Right?
you want.
She expecting a baby now. And she should be right by my side.
Oh.
By our side of
Not
my
by my side. To get me out of your dirtiness. By who side? Not by my side. I don't want no grand picnic by my side.
You say you is a Christian, you know. And when me search through the matter, you know, I never know say you would have let down the gospel.
Me?
Right? I
Let
never
it
know
down.
you would have let down the
I am
gospel.
living up for the gospel. That's the reason why I'm standing my ground. She cannot come here. Why you mean that I'm letting down the gospel, my husband? That is not a good word for my husband to
But
say.
in the Bible it said do unto others like how you don't want them to do unto you, right? Petra is going through a phase in life right now. And we are the parents. We should be right by our side holding hands and hands. Right? I don't say what she do is right. But she make a mistake. And we are the parents. We should help her through this.
I don't say no, but you know what is wrong with us Jamaican parents? They pick them go to road and do them dirtiness, they stinkiness. I'm upset, so I have to chat it right. Don't care if you are upset.
I see them, listen to me.
When they do their dirtiness, they come back in the house with it, and parents rub it down, polish it down, as if nothing is wrong. Well, let me tell you this. I am not one of the parents.
Well, me
You
wife,
are, I am not.
what I am saying to you right now,
I am listening.
I see this conversation not going anywhere.
It is
So
going somewhere.
before I stand there and have to fist you with this hand here.
Fist me because
You
of your
understand?
Petra? You want to fist me?
Let me-
Come back here. Fist me because of Petra? I'm talking to you, you're not leaving.
My wife, I try put down this badness in her.
No, you don't
You
put it down
understand?
because you want half of me fist.
Put it down in my wife. Because me and you would have hold a show down in this.
Well, it's a show me I'm holding now. It's
Huh?
a show. You're not going up there. You understand?
Let me
You
have
hear
a
me?
stick.
You hear me?
Let me
You
have
don't
a
go
stick.
there.
I see what this thing leading to, you know.
I am glad
And mind
see it.
you are not the one who leave out of this house, you know. You hear what me tell you? Mind me not pack out that it never let you left out of me yard, you know.
See?
You hear what me I say?
Hey!
Don't make me go back to the stage where me I come from. I am a change man. I don't push me to be.
I am
You
pushing
hear what me
you.
say? Don't push me.
Is Petra pushing you to disrespect me? Lord have mercy upon me soul. Hi! You see me dying trial? Alright. Him say him going up there. Okay, go on. When him go up there, I go up there go disrespect him and disgrace him up there. Lord have mercy upon me soul. You see me one pick me when me give me all and things and the spin would and turn out to sit and go the pick me make me husband turn for me. Lord help me. Me man when me and him they come from nowhere saying go and dash me out for the legal. Well alright. And that the girl they want come live with me in here so. He might go see what gonna happen. I'm going up there when me know say him catch. Too much of one thing good for nothing. Errol! What's here? Errol!
Yes, mommy.
You still a choppy yard after me leave you for how long? So you clean up the place?
Mommy, then think I take time for chopping now.
Take time what? Tell me something. Carry this gun and go. Make breakfast.
How we have bring that gun give me for?
Me bring it
come
come here.
yard, me there start chop.
Yeah, but for a man, you chop a place, so you should have finish from long time. So me say go make her breakfast. Take this from me. So what happened to you? Why you look like that?
Mommy, now make no breakfast to Petra, mommy.
Why? What happened? Why you don't want to make breakfast? Are your responsibility,
Yeah,
sweetheart?
but me say you treat Petra like say she a queen from she come here, mommy.
Why you see me a treat
Petra
her
in a
like
house in a bed a while ago she come out here and come and talk about say me must bring breakfast in a bed come give her and sit. Yeah, make you feel like say she has too much queen, mommy. She supposed to can go in her house in a kitchen and go do something.
She just come here and it's the first man in fear and you want her going in my kitchen?
So why
Yeah?
by first morning she not fin know she my,
Well, it's you.
Sure.
Listen, it's you if you go tell her what to do. It's not my responsibility. Me not have to chat to her. It's you. She come up here too. You never know that.
She all come all a talk about say she no want no Jamaican baby clothes.
What you mean that she don't want no Jamaican baby clothes? So you and I have a proper discussion. You and I
fed
have
up of this thing here
fed
right now,
up.
you know, I just feel like runway now.
runway. It just happened. So how you go runway left it? How you go runway and it just happened? And me no understand what you say. What you mean by she say she don't want no Jamaican clothes?
Say a foreign, she must call my father and tell him to buy baby clothes then.
She bright so. She want you call Gab for buy picnic clothes and it's your picnic and it's your responsibility. It's not going to happen. What she mean by she want foreign baby clothes?
When me to figure out, you know, You and my mother, you're supposed to stand up on my side. This morning, the first thing you should have do is pack up her clothes them and send her back down her yard. You have her itch up in her yard like say a fear yard is.
You lick your head. You lick your head. It's serious thing this, you know. You
What
never know.
serious thing?
If our parents carry her down a station, you know what can happen?
Mom, you know response to what happen. But she come here and she come like that she want to take over everything from me.
Take over everything from you. So you never know, say, when you pee in a people pick me. Eh? When you piss in a people, girl pick me, you don't know, say, all of this can happen.
You never know.
And all of your freedom, you're lucky, and all of your freedom over. Me no need to teach you nothing because uno big.
Me not talking mood there right now, you know.
Listen me, I feel like I done collar you in a boy. I feel like I done deal with you in a boy. I feel like I done lend you my hand in a boy. You know, you're not talking with me. When you should have shut your mouth when you look the people, them girl pick me. You never shut it. I know you want to come talk about it, you're not talking with me. Listen to me. Listen to me. I don't want to lick off your face. Moreover, you feel the falling for a morning.
I feel do so much thing in the yard. Everything me have to do in the yard.
Everything you have to do. And guess what? You have many more things to do as from now. Left what you have to do.
Yard me have to go feed for.
Yes.
What you want me to do in this
Oh, you mean, go right now, go feed the fowl them. Because I don't want hungry kill them. Because I know you don't feed them for a morning. And don't come hype up on me. Don't come hype up on me. Who you for hype up on, you not hype up on. Eh? Hype up on that one give you a problem. Hype up on this one give you a problem. You hear me say? And this give you a problem and put you in a trouble this morning. And that you for hype on. Talk to that and rough up that. When it give you a problem. You hear me say? Don't come talk to your mother so. Move from the phone woman lend a man and move from your son man. Look for you and come argue with your mother. You have no manners.
Never know say one mistake you make in a life, you know. Can make every destruction come down upon you, you know. I tell them I just feel like if I run away, you know, because if I run away, you know, all of this way over, you know. Because nobody wouldn't there fear pressure me, nobody wouldn't there fear talk about baby, nobody would in my ears and tell me all type of something, you know. Look how much pressure come down upon me alone. So, and mama if they on my side, she dey on Petra's side. Every little thing, she just jump down for me for nothing at all. I come like say a Petra right. She don't have to tell Petra say what she do wrong too. Sure. Every little thing a problem now for me. Everything a problem. And I go on like say me alone do things. Petra no could have tell me say no too.
Monica? Monica?
Yes, who is that?
Jeremiah? Don't bother with them type of date here, you know.
Mas Jeremiah, what is it again? What you want? What you want? Me can't take any more stress enough. I don't want you to come to my house, man. What is the problem?
I don't come here, Monica, to give you any stress. I come here this morning to relieve you of your stress.
You're not going to relieve me of my stress, man. You're bringing up stress on me and I can't deal with you anymore. We already talked yesterday. Will you come to my place so early for? Will you come here for?
Monica?
Me tear down, man.
Monica, just give me a chance to
Me
talk.
tear down, no. Me tear down, you and your picnic.
Give me a chance to talk.
What
man.
is it?
Right? I come this morning to
To
make
torture me.
peace.
To torture me.
To make peace.
Let me hear what
Right?
you have. Let me hear what you have to say.
Last night, I was home thinking, right? I said I come to take back Petra home.
What?
I come to take back my daughter.
Really?
Yes, I said I come to make peace this morning, right?
Oh, God. Thank you very much. You
But
come
my-
for your daughter?
Miss Monica,
Oh, Lord.
my
It's
wife,
the best
listen
thing
to me.
you ever say.
Miss Monica, give me a chance to chat now,
Yeah,
man.
because me happy. All right, talk.
My wife not pleased with it. She said you should stay with Petra, but
Oh, Jesus.
to tell you the honest truth, Monica, I can't sleep at night time.
She torturing you?
No, I'm used to Petra in the house.
Oh,
right?
Jesus, you're used to your daughter. That is very nice.
Having sleepless night, Monica.
Oh, Lord, and I guess she's having the same thing. She must want to come home too.
So how Petra behaving up
How's
here?
she doing? Well, all right. I hope that when she wake up this morning, she's on the right side. Me never know if you're picking on a manners. What kind of picking on a girl? That is not a child at all. That's a hooligan.
What you mean?
Oh, you mean what me mean?
Petra is well behaving and
Well
manners
behaving
are
where? Where? She nearly beat up me and my son last night.
Mighty God.
You know that your daughter come up here and she go in my son's bedroom
Mighty
and
God.
telling my son to come
What you
and
saying?
let them have. You know what I mean?
What you saying?
Yes. And my son said, no, he's not going back there. And she tell him to come and do whatever he wants to do with her. But my son said, no, it's not going to work. So anyway, when I come from work now and we go in the room, she tell me how she now come out of my son's bedroom.
You're telling the truth, Monica?
Yes, and she says she is the
Mighty
woman
God.
now because she dey carry my son picnic. I am so upset about it. Me say, my God, what my son could have ever, how him reach this sir?
I wonder if it's the pregnancy getting to her head.
Don't even go there and don't say that. You know, always try to find something for pretty up things. Pregnancy get to her what? It's so your picnic time.
Miss Monica, I never see this side of Petra
Well,
yet.
she's on that side now.
But
And I'm
I've
just
come here to take
I'm
her
so
home this morning.
happy. I'm so glad. I guess this is the best news I ever have for this long time. I really am. I'm happy and I'm glad you changed your mind, you
So
know.
where is there, Ralin?
He's going to feed. Why you styling him like that? He's sad about it. He's sorry, you know. Forgive him, man. I want Mary to go inside, go sit down so we can talk because I'm making breakfast for Petra and I'll make some for you as well. Petra must glad to see you. Come, my friend. Errol? Errol? Errol?
Yes.
Yes, what? Yes, what? You don't hear me talking to you, young man? Yes, what?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am? Yes, Madam Josiah. Come here. I want to talk to you. What happened between... Put this down out of your hand. Put it down.
The
What is
full
it?
feeding, ma'am.
I said to put it down. Put it down. Put it out of your hand. Right. Good. What happened between you and my daughter? I want to know. How you get pregnant? What happened? Open your mouth, young man. Seems like your mother don't teach you discipline. Open your mouth. What happened between you and my daughter?
Ma'am, it's some misunderstanding.
I am not your mother. I could not be your mother. My name is Madam Josiah. You hear me? Why are you backing away? I'm looking on you good to see if you clean and all of that. Your foot them look dirty. Are them a dirty foot you have for my daughter? Huh? You hear me talking to you, young man?
No, Madam Josiah.
Okay. Anyway, tell me what happened between you and mother.
Ma'am, it's some misunderstanding, ma'am. I never know so what me do could have make to get her pregnant.
What you mean by you never know what you do couldn't get her pregnant? What you do to my daughter? So what you do, no lay down together and put yourself on top of one another. You don't know that will make you breed?
Never know, ma'am.
Well, all right. Now that she breed, what you going to do about it? Let me tell you something. Me tell you something.
Ma'am,
You're
ma'am,
going
you
to...
well and
I'm
promise
going
up.
to tear you up. Listen to me.
You well and promise
You're
up,
going
ma'am.
to do everything in your power for that girl don't come back to me. Do you hear me? Come up here, sir. Talking to you. I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. Come up here, sir. Everything in your power. I don't want her back down on me yard because me hear me husband say. In coming up here fear. You hear what me say? Me say, you don't hear me talking to
Yes, ma'am.
you.
Ma'am, me hear you, ma'am.
want me
Ma'am,
kill
me
you?
hear you. Me hear you, ma'am.
I said do everything in
Hear
your
you.
power for she turn up here. You hear me?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
don't want her down there. You think you're going to
Your
make me?
husband have come up here?
Yes, him supposed to come up here already. You don't see him.
No, ma'am. Me
Well-
don't see, ma'am.
Well, listen to me. I said, do everything in your power for making she turn up here. Me no want her down there. You hear what me say?
Yes,
And you
ma'am.
see what I do to you? This is nothing comparing to what else I have to do. You hear me?
Yes,
You hear me?
Mama, please, please.
Please what? Your mama not grow you right, so I have to discipline you. And what I said,
I gotta do everything in my power to make you come down.
you better make sure.
I'm not gonna make you come down.
Okay, and tell me something. I realize I see your clothes and all Petra clothes and your mama clothes. On the line, who put them on me? Who washed them?
My mother washed them.
You
this
sure?
morning. Yes,
You
ma'am.
better make sure you not slave out me picnic up here. You hear what me say?
Yes, ma'am.
After you pregnant me picnic, you don't want to turn her in a slave. And when me take there, I want to deal with you properly.
Mommy, just please.
I say if you hear what I say,
Me hear what you say.
what I say you mustn't do.
Me know to make you come back. Me gotta do everything in my power.
Alright.
So if your husband come and want, she come down, me go cry and tell him say don't make she come
Because
down.
you love her.
Yes, ma'am.
And she's going to be your wife.
Yes, ma'am.
What me say she's going to be?
My wife.
I want even your ma, the one who it say is our daughter-in-law. That you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Because you go and tell your mother say is you.
My wife.
Okay. Move away from here before I deal with you with this.
Ethic alongside Sister Petra.
Give up and Christ who them losing faith. He stand firm and just a cruising straight. When the trumpet sound, me be the first at the gate. With the lantern lights, sweet home celebrate. Goodbye world, no more trouble, no pain. Inject me last straight in my vein.
Sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over. Hey, sing with the fire in me, Lord Jesus. Sing with the fire in my heart and soul. Holy Ghost, take over. Give me a new heart and make over.
What is a bitter man to gain the world and lose his soul? No repentance in the grave, I just run through your bone. Me I praise my Lord and I use my tone. Oh Lord, you are worthy to be praised. Me now give up, cause me know the journey soon over. Me stand firm for me Lord like any soldier. Michael and Gabriel take charge right now, clear the path.